to update the Victorville Old Town specific plan. Madam Clerk, read the recommendation.
That the City Council approve a mitigated negative declaration, adopt resolution number 18-093, approving the general plan amendment, adopt ordinance number 2384, approving the zone change, and adopt ordinance number 2385, approving the specific plan amendment.
Thank you. At this time, do we have council members? Do you have any questions of staff? Jim? No?
I do. I have.
Okay, Jim.
In the downtown plan, you referred to additional parking, converting private parking to public parking. Also talk about, I believe, it kind of hints of opening.
Can somebody turn off their phone there, please?
You would notice someone is trying to turn off their phone, please.
There was an indication of establishing parking on 7th Street. It seemed to me, if you establish parking, it's going to restrict the 4 lanes to 2. And in searching for alternate routes, it may occur, it's not positive. If it does occur, there doesn't seem to be a suggested alternate route for the bottleneck. Did I read that correct?
Yes, so part of the plan, the circulation plan, and I had a quick PowerPoint. I can go over more of the changes to 7th Street and the traffic study, how it was analyzed to allow for the reduction of 1 lane in each direction on 7th Street, allow for on-street parking, while also allowing for additional development, increased density in the area. So it was analyzed. That's why it's taken us 2 years to bring this plan before you. Full environmental analysis was done, focusing primarily on the traffic issues. Can that area handle additional development, and can it handle the reduction of the lanes on 7th Street? And the findings that we found is correct that we can.
There was also statements in regard to the current parking structure or otherwise. Is there contemplated an improvement zone for a parking structure as part of this plan?
Long-term goals, as it starts developing further and there's a need for parking, yes. But day one, no, we're not in any position to pursue a parking structure.
Thank you.
Anyone else?
Yes, so if you have a pen available and you can jot down the notes, because I'm going to go ahead and tell you all the questions that I have, and then hope that you will be answering them. So for item B1, if you look on page 4, and the timer is off right now, so I don't know what's going on, so you make sure the timer that it's allotted time. It's right now? Great. So the short-term road diet, it says on 7th and 8th Street. I'm not sure what that refers to. Tell me how the modification of the side streets will be alleviated with the congestion, or how will it facilitate the traffic flow? If you look on chapter 7, when will the relocation of the railroad crossing be able to take effect from 6th to 7th Street?
A large part of the plan and this development standards focuses on the history of Old Town. We want to maintain the character and preserve the history. So through development standards, through design guidelines, the plan focuses on emphasizing that Route 66 from architecture from turn of the century to that mid-century architecture that you see for Route 66.
At this time, I open the public hearing, and I do have some cards. I will call out the names here. The first card that I have is Robert Arvizu, and then after Robert will be Christine Cook.
Good evening, Mayor, City Council. I'm Robert Arvizu, a member of R.O.O.T. I'm here tonight in support of of the Old Town Specific Plan. As R.O.O.T, our first task was to meet and survey the community. What are their concerns? Well, safety. We feel R.O.O.T and the residents of Old Town, by adopting the specific plan, it will help in addressing the safety issues expressed by the residents, like the lack of lighting in the area, the neighborhood homes and commercial buildings that are vacant and boarded up, which are havens for the homeless and wrongdoers. It produces trash accumulation, defecation, poor health and fire concerns, and fire hazards. Another safety issue, speeding traffic on 7th between Forest and D Street. We believe with the reinstallment of parallel parking, it will help slow the flow of traffic, which will make it safer for the residents and also will help businesses attract customers. We know there's concern throughout the city, but by placing Old Town as a priority, I feel that it would be expressing the commitment to a beautiful city. Thank you.
I'm owner of R.O.O.T 6 Billiards and I'm a proud member of R.O.O.T. I'm here to speak to you about the specific plan. I'm for it because I'm a number of reasons, mostly safety. It's going to slow down traffic. Lighting is going to deter crime. There's no reason that downtown Victorville has been neglected for so long. Please, I believe you guys will do the right thing. Have a good night.
Thank you. Brian, and then after Brian, Jennifer, Mary.
Good evening, Councilman, and good evening, Mayor. My name is Brian Knightson. I'm part of the Youth Advisory Board.
What is in the letter and answer any questions?
Did I explain this to the gentleman? Señor, alguien de la ciudad va a hablar con usted. Le van a dar un intérprete. No aquí, pero tiene que ir a la ciudad. Pero alguien va a hablar con usted. No hay necesidad que esté asustado. What I said to him was that someone from the city would be contacting him, and he will be able to get his answers to his questions, and there's no need for him to be afraid. The city is willing to talk to him.
Motion by Mr. Cox, seconded by Mr. Kennedy. All those in favor?
Aye.
All those opposed? Motion carries with Mr. Negretti absent.
Now we move on to consent calendar, and consent calendar items C1 through.
Wait, you want to give a little update on what happened?
Yeah, so after 2 years, the revision of the Old Town Specific Plan was finally approved for City Council. And it's really exciting because we've been working on this for 2 years. And this is our blueprint to show what we want for our neighborhood. If we want more lighting, if we want slower traffic, if what kinds of businesses we want. Do we want coffees and bookstores, or do we want laundromats? Whatever, it's up to us. It's our tool. And we've been helping shape it for 2 years. And now it finally got approved. But this is just really step one of the next process, because we all have to keep working and keep making sure that what we want actually happens in a timely manner. So it's exciting.
All right, there you go. Ms. Stephanie with R.O.O.T. So HDCW Community Watch from the city of Victorville, council chambers meeting. HDCW Community Watch, thank you for being with us tonight.